Taking care of your car isn't rocket science, but even the most well-meaning drivers fall into bad habits that can slowly wear down their vehicle. You might think you're doing everything right, but are you really? Let's talk about some of the car maintenance mistakes you might be making without even realizing it. First up, skipping the owner's manual. Yes, that thick booklet sitting in your glove box isn't just there to collect dust. It's packed with information tailored to your car's specific needs, from oil change intervals to the recommended tire pressure. Ignoring it is like guessing your way through a recipe. You might get lucky, but chances are you'll mess up. Another common mistake is not checking your tires regularly. Underinflated or overinflated tires aren't just bad for your car's fuel economy. They're dangerous. Plus, uneven tire wear can mess with your car's alignment and handling, leading to costly repairs down the road. It takes 5 minutes to check, so why not make it a habit? Let's talk about oil changes. Many people either delay them too long or do them too frequently. With modern synthetic oils, you don't need to change your oil every 3,000 miles unless your car specifically calls for it. On the flip side, neglecting oil changes altogether can lead to engine sludge, which is a death sentence for your engine. Speaking of fluids, how often do you think about the brake fluid, coolant, or transmission fluid? Probably not as much as you should. These fluids are like the lifeblood of your car. Ignoring them can lead to overheating, poor braking performance, or even complete transmission failure. Yikes, right? Cleaning your car is another area where people drop the ball. Sure, it's not fun, but letting dirt and grime build up on your paint can lead to corrosion. Bird droppings? They're not just gross. They're acidic and can eat through your car's clear coat. And don't forget the interior. A clean car feels better to drive, and keeping it clutter-free can even improve your focus behind the wheel. Here's one you might not expect: overloading your car. Your vehicle has a maximum load capacity, and exceeding it can strain the suspension, brakes, and tires. Whether it's that DIY project or a family road trip, check your car's limits before you pack it like a clown car. Lastly, ignoring warning lights is a major no-no. That little check engine light? It's not a suggestion. It's your car telling you something's wrong. Even if it's something minor, delaying repairs can turn a small issue into an expensive problem. So, are you guilty of any of these? Which mistake surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tips that'll keep your ride in top shape.